Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Please excuse the thing going on. Playing the game.
Lonoke County in central Arkansas, northern Grant County in central Arkansas, south central Faulkner County in central Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Saline County in central Arkansas, eastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, until 11 a.m. At 10:18 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gravel Ridge to Orion to Jenkins Ferry State Park, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Alright, I'm recording a video, you know.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations
I don't know.
include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Pine Bluff, Sherwood, Jacksonville, Cabot, downtown Little Rock, Sheridan, Lone Oak, Des Arc, Hazen, North Little Rock Airport, Little Rock Air Force Base, Whitehall, Ward, England, Carlisle, Wrightsville, Austin in Lonoke County, Argenta. This includes the following highways: Interstate 30 between mile markers 139 and 141. Interstate 40 between mile markers 154 and 196. Interstate 530 between mile markers 1 and 38. Interstate 440 between mile markers 1 and 14. Bus Highway 67 between mile markers 1 and 22. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ55 in Little Rock.
Okay, this one ain't more inspired.
Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock.